And but I have the impression now that I found my first real sophisticated kind of song when I went to an Irish college down in Ring in Waterford at the age of 12. I mean, we learned a number of songs there, some of which were very light, things like Our Longing, She's the Rain, and various other things. But this one, Cáit Ní Dhubhir, it stayed with me. And the thing is that I learned it at the age of 12, and I didn't sing it again until I was 62, 2 years ago. And I thought it was amazing that I could remember a song after 50 years, where I could hardly remember Mick Scanning's name there. And so there's something strange about memory. But mind you, there were I think 5 verses in the song, and I can only remember 2. But today, I found the other 3. I'm not going to sing them, but in a little book called Chlór Shinship by Rourke, not back around 1920, there are 5 verses there, and they seem familiar to me now as I read them. So I did learn them, but I can only remember the first 2. And it's a kind of an ash name. But Cáit Ní Dhubhir, as you know, would be a pet name for Ireland, and there would be straightforward love songs, but a straightforward love song with that name, the name of the girl representing Ireland, and she came to represent Ireland in this song. And so there's a prophecy that Ireland will be free eventually, and I just sing 2 verses as a kind of a tribute to that woman, Maureen Kelly, I think was her name, who taught me this song 52 years ago.
Come again.